Hey everyone! In this tutorial, I will show you how to create this perfume bottle. If you enjoy Blender tutorial on modeling, lighting, animation, and product visualization, you are in the right place. Now you can become a channel member and unlock exclusive perk like early access to all my tutorial video. And the best part, at the end of each month, you will get a complete blend file pack containing all the project file from every tutorial released that month. Just hit the join button below to become a member and support this channel to grow. Okay, that's all. Let's start the tutorial. Let's start googling for our image reference. I'm searching for Valentino perfume. Let's use this one as a reference. Open up your Blender, go to the front view, press Shift A, image reference. Add your image reference, adjust the position. Put it back here a little bit. Object data property, opacity, let's make it just 0.5. Then Shift A, mask, add a cylinder. Tap to the edit mode, press G, Z, and press 1, Alt Z. Select all of this edge, press E to extrude. Extrude it on the Z axis, then S to scale it down. Press E to extrude again, Z axis. Put it here, S to scale it down. E extrude, Z axis, S to scale it down. Then press E again, till here, S to scale down. Then press E, Z. Just like this. Then you can press Ctrl R to put a loop cut. Increase the segment by using scroll wheel on your mouse. In my case here, I'm using 6 cut. Then press A to select everything, Shift D to duplicate it, press S to scale it down, scale it like this. I'm going to select all of the vertices inside, like this, X delete the vertices. Then select all of this, press F to fill. Alt Z, back to the solid view, press 3, change it to the face mode. You can select this face, press X, delete the face. Do the same with the inside one here, X, delete the face. Click here, enable the face orientation, select one of the face inside, press L, then Shift N, click inside. Okay. Press 2, change it to the edge mode, select this edge, click over here, snap base, change it to the edge, press G, Z, hold Ctrl, snap to this edge. Okay, we will have this result. Then select one of the vertices inside, press L, then H to hide. Alt Z again, press 1, change it to the vertices mode, click and drag like this, press H to hide. Then press 3, change it to the face mode. Alt Z, back to the solid view. We need to select this face, Shift Ctrl and click till here. After you select something like this, press H to hide. Then down here we can press H to hide also. Press A to select everything, right click, poke face. Okay, then press 1, change it to the vertices mode. Select one of these vertices like this. Then go to the select similar amount of connecting edge. After everything selected like this, you can press Alt S to scale this up, just like this. Then let me do some adjustment. Alt Z to see the X-ray view, click and drag. Select all of this. Going to press GZ, move it down just a little bit. Okay, now we have something like this. Then we can press Alt H to bring everything back. Over here, we can press 2, change it to the edge mode. Select one of these edge and this one. Press F to fill. Click here, then hold F to fill everything. Okay, go to the modifier, add a modifier, bevel, increase the segment by 3, add a modifier again, generate, subdivision surface. Then increase the level by 2. Back. Tap to the object mode, right click, shade smooth. We're done with the bottle. Let's create the liquid inside. Press tab to edit mode. Press 3, change it to the face mode. Select all of this face at the outside. Press H to hide. Select one of them. Press L to select everything. Then press H to hide. Alt Z to see the X-ray view. We just need to click and drag like this. Maybe till here. Shift D, duplicate it. Then I'm going to press P, selection. Tap to edit mode. We have two objects like this. Press slash to isolate. Then we need to press tab here. A to select everything, press Shift N. K, select all of this H. Press F to fill, press I to insert. Do the same here. Press I to insert. K. Press slash again. This one, let's name it body. And the inside here, let's name it liquid. Next, let's create the caps. Press Shift A, mask, add a circle, press GZ. Let's put it here, tap to edit mode, S to scale it down, press E, extrude, Z axis. Extrude it here. Then Alt Z, we can press Ctrl R, put loop cut here, Ctrl B bevel. Then press E to extrude, S to scale it, Shift Z, scale it without the Z axis. Press Ctrl R, put loop cut here, Ctrl B bevel again. Put it here, then press E to extrude, S to scale it, Shift Z, scale without the Z axis. Okay, Alt Z to the solid view, press 3, change it to the face mode, select this 3 face, Shift D, duplicate it, P, selection. Tap to the object mode, select this new object, tap to edit mode, press A, S, scale it on the Z axis. Just like this. E to extrude, S to scale it down. Then press A to select everything. Change pivot point to 3D cursor. Go to the top view. Let me rotate this a little bit. Then Shift D to duplicate it. Press R to rotate. Rotate like 40 degrees. Then Shift R. Okay, select this object, add a modifier, generate, let's add a bevel. Increase the segment by 3, right click shade smooth, change the amount to 0.003, then subdivision surface, make it level 2. Okay, for this one, click here, Ctrl L, just copy modifier. Shade smooth. Okay, we are done with the modeling. Let's move to the shading tab. At the render property, I'm going to change EV to cycle. Color management, let's just use high contrast. Select the body here, new material, delete our principal BSDF, Shift A, search for glass BSDF, connect the glass BSDF to the surface, Shift A again, search for transparent BSDF, Shift A, search for mix shader, put here, connect the transparent to the shader, then Shift A, search for light path, put it somewhere here, then connect each shadow ray to the vector. Let's add some texture, Shift A, search for noise texture, click here, then press Ctrl T. But if you can do that, just go to the edit, preference, ada add-ons, just type node, you will find this node wrangle, enable the node wrangle, save your preference, then you can press Ctrl T. It will automatically add texture coordinate and make a node. Press Shift Ctrl, then select your noise texture. Let me move this over here. Then Shift A, search for color ramp. Put here. I'm going to change the scale to 1000 or 500. Shift A again, search for bump node. Put here. Change the normal to the high. Then normal here to the normal. Shift Ctrl, add your mix shader. Now we have something like this. We only need to adjust the strength here. Okay. You can change the color of the glass if you wanted to, but I will leave it like this. Caps, new material, change the AOR, turn down the roughness, change the color. I'm going to change the black, and let's add some texture. Just select our glass, select all of this node, Ctrl C, and paste here. Connect it to the normal. Then let's try to adjust it a little bit more. Change the distance to 0.001. Okay. Just like this, I guess. Change the AOR to 1.43. Then select this object, this one, and the caps, Command L, link material. For the liquid, let me change to the render preview. Then disable the scene light and the scene warp, new material. Let's just turn down the roughness. Transmission, make it 1. Then let's change the color to any color you want. Change IOR to 1.33. Then for the label, let me change to the solid view. Select this body, tap to edit mode, press 3, change it to the face mode. Select this face, all of this, Shift D, duplicate it, press P, selection, tap to the object mode, rename this one to the labels. Go to the material preview, close this one, new material, press GY, let's put it on the front a little bit, then let's add a solidify, put it up here. Okay, then at your principal BSDF, press Ctrl T, image texture, click open, found your label, tap to edit mode, press A to select everything, press U, unwrap. Expand this window, change this one to UV editor. Press A to select everything here, press R to rotate 90 degrees, S to scale it up. I'm going to change the repeat to the extent. Let me disconnect this one and change the color here to, let's make it a little bit silver, here's the metallic, then turn down the roughness. Okay, just duplicate this principal BSDF, Shift A, search for mix shader, put here, connect this one to the shader and this image texture to the vector, then press Shift Ctrl D, duplicate this one, put it down here, Shift A again, search for bump node, put here, connect color to high and normal to normal. Now we have something like this. We can adjust it with the color ramp node, Shift A, search for color ramp, put here. Let's change to the render preview. Okay, let's put some invert color, put here. Then we can change this color to any color we want. I guess we are totally done here, but if you wanted to have similar color with our reference, just select your bottle here. Let me move this node, Shift A, search for gradient texture, put here, then press Ctrl T, add color ramp, put here, connect color to vector, then let's press Shift Ctrl, click at our color ramp. Let's change the Y rotation to 90. Okay, Let's change this to pure white. And this one, let's make it a little bit dark. Let's adjust it. Change it to be spline. And let's make it something like this. Okay, then connect color to the color. Let's see the result. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more content like this. If you got any question or suggestion, drop them in the comment below. And if you want to support this channel and have an early access tutorial, check out the membership in the link in the description. See you in the next one.